welcome to the Vlogmas Day 1! So, Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'm so excited to accomplish this Vlogmas. So right now, I have my special guest right now. See, I'm with Santa and Santa's reindeer. So here I am at the Christmas mansion for today's vlog. So I'm with my family right now and we're going to tour around the Christmas mansion. Okay, so papasok na kami ngayon sa Christmas mansion. Hoy! Participate! Finally, nakalabas na kami. Grabe, kaigang. Super haggard. Kasi ang daming tao sa loob. Anyways, nandito kami sa outdoor part ng Christmas mansion. Feels so good because ang lamig-lamig ng hangin. Ingay. Next up is Big Bad Book. Bye! Hello! Welcome to Big Bad Book! Thanks! Meron akong there.
Ano?
Magkampihan tayo kung sino yung maiba. Sigawan si Papa ng ugma pa. Sige. Kampiang bayayang makulobayang. Oh my God! Ay! Joke lang yun.
No. Ikaw nagsabi ko.
Otis out. Otis out. Otis out. Ikaw pagdalik eh. Paano na siya? Uy,
By the way, he's galit right now. I'm scared. Manalo ng Big Bad Wolf. Charat.
24 hours. Go, go.
Ikaw marunong. Ikaw daw ba?
Go daw, ma. Okay, go.
Gida ma.
Go daw, ma.
Wala, pwede ko tayo makatun for our challenge dito. Ay, sorry. Woo! This is so fun. I'm so happy. Tell me again how a crush should feel. Oh, this is my favorite. So, to be honest, hindi kami mahilig sa books. No one in our family loves books. So, pumunta lang kami dito for the sake of the vlog. Bumili ako ng isang set ng John Green books. But, isa lang nabasa ko. The Fault in Our Stars lang. Mo lang dyan. The rest, wala dyan. Ko'y nabasa lain. So, I'll stop pretending. I really don't love books.
Poem siya. Mayroong poem about mothers, makatouching.
Pero sobrang mura ng books, no? Siguro kung book lover talaga ako. Kung book lover talaga ako, siguro maki-crazy ako dito. Pero, hindi eh. Meron na naman pong bata na hindi pinagbigyan ng kanyang nanay. Palitan na nato sila 𝐻𝐞𝐿 para natin mapalit diri. Dura tag 100 lang. Sig masapian ta diri basig ganan maganan tag libro kalit. Ala 2-year press here. Laman. Ba. Okay, we're done at Big Bad Wolf. Now we're going to eat at their food fest. So sa labas lang ng Big Bad Wolf area. So show them what you got. So, kasi sa tagal-tagal namin doon, lampas ng 1 hour, ang dami-dami naming nabili because we're book lovers. We love books! So here we are right now sa kanilang food bazaar. Kasi masakit na yung paa namin and gutom na kami. Tapos yung nachos and fries.
Nas-order ko. For all na to. Ano ko nakita ang
Naka-flash ah.
Now we're currently eating. So we have pizza.
ano man na rice?
Ano man?
Ganito?
Pizza.
Diyan may chicken barbecue.
Nachos and fries.
Because same na yun dyan doon.
And milk tea, 'cause milk tea is life.
Because same lang.
Hey guys, right now we're going home because we're so tired na. It's almost 12 a.m. and sakit ng paa namin because books are life. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Also, don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel so you would laugh together, laugh for a while, because all I do is for you guys to laugh or smile for a while. So, sana naman nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. So, if nag-enjoy kayo, abangan nyo ang aking day 2 Vlogmas tomorrow. See you! Bye! Mwah!
Jingle bells rock, jingle bells